Do you drink water in or from copper vessels such as copper bottles, copper mugs, copper jugs, or copper urns? Do you know the scientific reason behind as to why drinking water from copper vessels is beneficial and good for our health? What are the health benefits of drinking water from copper vessels? And if it is so good, then what about copper toxicity? So to know more about it and to get answers to all these questions, keep watching this video, and so let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome again to Lifestyle Speaks channel. My name is Dr. Surangna and I make videos related to healthy living, nutritious foods, and ways to bring inner peace for a healthier lifestyle. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Copper is an essential trace mineral which is very important for good health. Water from copper vessels was consumed a lot in India in ancient times, but ultimately it became less and lesser. However, in the recent times, with the rise in popularity of Ayurveda again, there are many people who have started using copper vessels at their home and have started drinking water from the copper vessels. However, despite all this, there are still so many of us who are unaware about this miraculous drink, and we should know about it so that we also can start consuming it for a good health. Copper is beneficial for our health as it has antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties, and it helps to neutralize toxins in our body. Our body requires copper in trace amounts because of the immense health benefits. However, our body cannot synthesize copper, due to which it is important that we get copper from dietary sources, whether it is through food or through water. Now, what are the benefits of drinking water in or from copper vessels? So when water is stored in a copper bottle or copper vessel, ideally for about 6 to 8 hours, copper starts leaching out into the water through a process which is known as the oligodynamic effect, and provides the water with all its positive properties, which is beneficial to drink and also has many health benefits. And the best part is that this water does not get stale or does not spoil, and is also free from all microorganisms because of the antimicrobial effects of copper. So let us see what are the benefits of drinking water in or from copper vessels. According to Ayurveda, if you drink copper enriched water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, then it helps to balance the 3 doshas in our body, which is Kapha, Vata and Pitta. And this helps to ensure proper functioning of the different organs in our body and also helps to boost our body's metabolism. So do ensure that you store water in a copper vessel overnight and drink 2 to 3 glasses of water from it daily first thing in the morning after you wake up. And this is quite enough for the entire day because a body requires copper only in trace amounts. So you do not need to overdo it by drinking a lot of water from the copper vessel throughout the day, because then that will otherwise lead to copper toxicity. So only 2 to 3 glasses of this copper enriched water is enough for the entire day, which you should drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Drinking copper enriched water can help to cleanse and detox our stomach and ensure that waste and toxic products are properly eliminated from our body. It also helps reduce inflammation in our stomach lining and assist in better digestion by treating stomach ulcers and infections. So when we drink copper enriched water, our body gets copper from it. And this copper aids in proper breakdown of the foods we eat to hemoglobin, which allows for efficient iron absorption in our body, whose deficiency otherwise leads to anemia. Copper enriched water ensures the proper functioning of the thyroid gland and balances all its inconsistencies. It energizes the thyroid gland so that it functions efficiently, and it also prevents the negative effects of excess secretion from the thyroid gland. But like I said before, we should only consume 2 to 3 glasses of copper enriched water daily and not more than that, because if we drink it in excess copper can make our thyroid glands to dysfunction. Copper has the ability to reduce our triglyceride and bad cholesterol levels, and it also has the ability to regulate our blood pressure and heart rate, due to which drinking water in copper vessels can reduce hypertension and heart diseases. has a sterilizing effect on bacteria because of its antimicrobial properties, which helps to fight bacterial infections. Copper is quite effective against E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which are common microorganisms or bacteria which are found in the environment and known to cause infections in us. Our brain communicates with the body through electrical impulses, and copper-enriched water enhances this communication by carrying out these electrical impulses, which allows the brain to function more efficiently, and due to which it is referred to as a brain stimulant. Copper is a known antioxidant which helps to fight free radicals in our body and prevent their negative effects. Free radicals are one of the major causes of cancer, due to which drinking water from the copper vessels is quite good and beneficial for our health. Copper has strong anti-inflammatory properties, and it also has bone and immune system strengthening properties, which helps to cure inflamed joints and also provides relief to people suffering from arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. So these were some of the health benefits of drinking water from copper vessels, but despite that, we should not drink it in excess, as the body requires only trace amounts of copper, and too much of anything can be harmful. And we will also experience no forms of copper toxicity if we drink copper-enriched water in required amounts. Copper toxicity can also be prevented by preventing the use of corroded copper vessels and drinking water from it. Like I said, the best time to drink water from the copper vessels is early in the morning on an empty stomach. And it is best that we store water in the copper vessels for 6 to 8 hours before drinking it to get the maximum health benefits out of it. But do ensure that when you store water in a copper vessel, you store only room temperature water, and you do not store hot water or cold water, because then that will have inverse effects of copper on our body. So that's it for today. I really hope you find today's video useful and you also start drinking copper-enriched water every day early in the morning, the first thing. And don't forget to give this video a like and comment below to share your thoughts. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay connected, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.